Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Got a pretty special car here for you, a 1963 Plymouth Fury. Wait till you see what's under the hood. A 426 with the twin offset 4-barrel carb sitting on top of it. Go to volocars.com and you can study 100 pictures, read all the specs, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll be the first to see the videos that come out if you click on the bell icon. But right now, tops down, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. Beautiful car, solid body. We put pictures of the underside on our website, but it's all clean, solid metal, including up behind the rear tires. I can see the factory pinch welds around here. Nice clean metal, solid floors, been undercoated. The motor and trans were just rebuilt. I have the receipt in my office. I'll put a copy online. It was $7,000 or $9,000 was just spent on the motor and trans rebuild. I'll start it up in a minute. This thing's a healthy runner. But anyway, I told you about the floors. The body's solid too. The thing is straight. There's no bubbles. It's all smooth. It's all shiny. It all fits nice. There's a couple nicks right here on the inner edge that are touched up. The bumper is beautiful. All this trim looks to be really good original. Tail lights are real nice. Side trim, there's a few dents right here. Other than that, it's really straight, and the white is real nice. And again, the paint is smooth. Yeah, this is a clean fender lip right here. Look how square it fits. All real nice. All shiny trim. This is all beautiful. Windshield's real nice and clear. This is all nice. Obviously, Cragars wheels. Those are new. I have the original hubcaps in the trunk, which we'll show you in a minute. The front bumper is rechromed. The grille is real nice. The emblems, the hood ornament, all that's really nice. Very tidy, respectable car. This is beautiful. The engine bay is gloss red. It's all clean metal. No signs of damage or rust. All the seams and spot welds and everything's clean. But look what's in the middle. The 426 with that, I don't know if technically they call that a cross ram, but that's a genuine Mopar item with the correct air cleaners, stock manifolds, and that's completely rebuilt. Alternator looks new, radiator looks nice, has a shroud, the correct fan, the horns, the batteries bolted down, has the washer bag for the squirters all hooked up, has power steering, and he just added a new power disc brake setup, so it's disc up front, and that's new. Door jambs are really nice. Weather strips are nice. It's a white convertible top in excellent condition. Giant trunk. Here's the original brake drums and brake booster that came off it. I don't know why you'd want it, but it came off the car. You get to have that. And here's the original hubcaps. It has a jack, has a spare, solid trunk compartment. This is a push button trans. So you got a lever here that puts it in park, and then you push the button for the gear you want to go in. The upholstery is really nice. I like the gray and white, and it has this little bit of chrome piping detail. Overall, the interior is very good. There's no rips or splits or tears. It just doesn't look brand new, but it's really nice. Cushions are nice and tight and firm. So I'm going to start it up. I'm sure you'd like to hear it run. I like hearing it run. Got center armrest cushion. The motor's rebuilt, and it sounds like they rebuilt it right. It's snappy, 2 4-barrels, and they're completely functional. Look at that stance. It has air shocks in back, jacked up a little bit, bigger tires, wider wheels in back. I think it's a stainless steel exhaust system. It looks that way. Unique car. You don't see many of these on the street. You can be proud of it. It's clean. You open that hood, you'll have a crowd around it. They're going to want to see what's under the hood when they hear it. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our staff. They're happy to help you with questions about the car, the financing, the delivery, the process. That's at volocars.com. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. Thanks for watching.